Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are up at the Lake Powell Resort near the Waweep Marina outside of Page, Arizona, on the northern Arizona border of Utah. So we are in a junior suite and this is a very old resort that they've kind of done their best to keep updated. So it's a little backwards. You walk into the bedroom, but then you have an extra living room area. So anyway, my back is to the door that you come in. And we are in room 273. It does not have a view of the lake, but it does have, nice views. And then you also can see the parking lot from here. The tub and toilet are in a separate room. If I were them, I would flip the bed and the dressers, but maybe there's not quite enough room for a king bed in the other room. I remember staying at this hotel in the 80s, and it's very dated, but they've also done a lot to keep it updated. So that is a sleeper sofa, and you do have a little separation with doors here. So you could put kids in this room. The lake is right off past that building in the distance. And you do have gorgeous views of the lake from the two different restaurants and the bar that are in the lobby area. The dam is kind of off that direction. And the lake is off in that direction. Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. If we've helped you with any of your travel plans, please subscribe, and also feel free to leave comments or questions.